Have you ever wondered what data analytics is? Well, it's the process of examining data to draw conclusions. Data analytics is becoming increasingly important in today's world. It can be used to make informed decisions and gain a competitive edge. Take Netflix, for example. They use data analytics to personalize recommendations for their users. Data analytics can also be used in healthcare to improve patient outcomes. By analyzing patient data, doctors can identify trends and make informed decisions about treatment. So, data analytics is about making sense of the data we have and using it to make informed decisions. It's an essential tool in today's world.